Alright, so we're about to be at the Dyno. There's a gas station right next to the Dyno, very convenient. Coming back at you with our Dyno essentials. Sugar, candies, shit, almond joy, and boom. Okay? Coming at you. We'll check back in when there's rods on the floor. Alright, we're back at the Dyno today. At Chris's shop. Using his stuff. You know how we do. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tuning. First, we got a couple cars to do, but first we're going to do a MR2 with a Turbo K. It's a Z3, so we got to take it easy on it, but we're going to get it strapped down on the rollers. Brand new build for the guy, so it's got a 35R 2150s ethanol setup, so should be able to squeeze a decent amount of ponies out of it so he can zip it around till he builds his big boy motor. So keep an eye on what we got going on here. We'll be back soon. Chris.
Hey, what up, guys?
Let's see what we can do. MR2 tough with Honda stuff. Got some K Pro on here. Nice setup. Stock Z3 with some ethanol, so we'll make sure we keep it in the green, in the safe zone. Give him a good baseline tune so he can get out and rip. So against my knowledge, the car comes in with a 3-pound wastegate spring. Theoretically, a solenoid like this solenoid, in most cases, will only triple the boost on from the spring pressure right there. So that has a 3-pounder. So we got to make this thing work hard as hell just to get 9, 12-ish PSI. So I'm gonna change that out for him so we can get more power. But we ended up boost leak testing it, obviously. Put a cap over the turbo, put boost in here and pressurized the whole system, and it was coming out the back of the throttle body. I could feel it with my hands. So there it is. Interesting TPS problems on this car too, but you know, first rip at like 8 pounds, it was like 360. So we're gonna try and work through the bugs, fix that boost leak, maybe change the spring or let them leave on that, and I'm back at it. Get back to the, here's the next step. Twisted these little thingies, these other little thingies, and put this little springy thingy in there.
Makes more.
It makes the fire. Makes cool with the fire.
Yep.
Wow. Out goes the little spring, and in goes the main springs. So that we don't have to play no more. No more playing around. We got the MR2 off. It's over there getting his trunk put back on. It did 471. Stock Z3 at like 14 PSI. We left it there just to be safe. So we're happy with that for now. We'll do some upgrades and put the built motor in and make some real power. On to the next, we got the purple tag, using that purple. Fresh LSV conversion. Big ass catch can like it's got 10,000 horsepower. What the fuck is this? All right, man. You're smiling, man, like you know I was gonna clown on you for that intake, man. Let's see what she can do with that PBO or kaboom tune.